So in this video, I want to show you how I create video content using my very fast and simple method. So the tools I use are Audacity for voice recording. I use Filmora for video editing. So we're going to pretend this right here is my script, right? And obviously it's going to be much longer. Yeah, but we're just going to use this little paragraph here as a script for the video that I'm creating. Okay, so the first thing I do is go to my script. Okay, let's pretend this is it. Open up Audacity and then make sure the right microphone is selected. I use Samsung Meteor mic, which is a USB microphone. And then I click record and narrate the text. Writing can be an amazing hobby and a necessary skill. From realistic fiction to mysteries to sci-fi to poetry to academic papers, your writing is only limited by your imagination. Keep in mind that writing is a lot more than putting pen to paper. It takes reading, research, thinking, and revising. While not all writing methods work for everyone, there are some things all writers can do to boost their craft. There are some things all writers can do to boost their craft and create a comprehensive, engaging piece. And then I press stop. Once I got my audio, I then clean it up. The way to do that is to just select where there's silence, just a tiny bit, like so. And then go to effect and then noise reduction, and then gate noise profile. And then I select the whole thing and then I click effect again, noise reduction, and then I click OK. Okay, so these are the settings that I use that work for me. Okay, and then I click OK. And it's clean. Next, I remove the silence, the awkward silence, and any mistakes that I make. Okay, let's actually play it and see. Writing can be an amazing hobby and a necessary skill. From realistic fiction to mysteries to sci-fi to poetry to academic papers, your writing is only limited by your imagination. Keep in mind that writing is a lot more than putting pen to paper. It takes reading, research, thinking, and revising. While not all writing methods work for everyone, there are some things all writers can do to boost their craft. There are some things. Okay. There are some things all. This needs to be deleted because there's a little bit of background noise there. And then this bit as well. So it's about 28 seconds or 29 seconds. Okay. So now that it's ready, I'm just gonna click export as MP3. And let's say I'm gonna put it in the desktop. Okay, untitled, whatever. I'm just gonna click OK. And just like that, it's been exported. The next thing I do is import it to Filmora. It's entitled. Then I add it. Now I gotta cut it into tiny parts that are gonna make up the different slides, okay? So let's play it again. Writing can be an amazing hobby, and I think actually the audio is a little too loud. I'm gonna lower its volume a little bit. And a necessary skill. Okay, let's say for example, that's the first slide, it's 4 seconds. From realistic fiction to mysteries to sci-fi to poetry to academic papers, your writing is only limited by your imagination. Let's say that's another one. Keep in mind that writing is a lot more than putting pen to paper. It takes reading, research, thinking, and revising. Okay, that's another slide. While not all writing methods work for everyone, there are some things all writers can do to boost their craft and create a comprehensive, engaging piece. Perfect. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say that first 28 seconds is going to make up 4 slides. Okay. Okay, now that we cut the audio into tiny parts, now what we then do is go to Canva and then create a new design. Obviously this is for a video, so I'm just gonna type in video like that. Okay, 1920, 1080. Okay. And obviously Canva makes this so easy, with all the templates they give you, the photos, the videos, all that stuff, even the audios if you want to use music in your video, which I don't do a lot unless I'm creating a promotional video. Okay, so we're gonna do the first slide. Writing can be an amazing hobby and a necessary skill. Okay, writing can be an amazing hobby and a necessary skill. This is the first slide right here. I think a best practice is probably less than 10 seconds per slide. So, okay, so let's go to templates. For example, you can type anything here, writing, for example. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, let's pretend it's a great slide. The next slide then. From realistic fiction to mysteries to sci-fi to poetry to academic papers, your writing is only limited by your imagination. Okay, so I'm probably gonna write that last bit right there. Okay, your writing is only limited by your imagination. Okay, again, I'm gonna use a picture writing like that. Okay. Let's see. Let's say like this one, and then I go here. Then I copy paste in the text. Your writing is only limited by your imagination. I think that's a decent font. I'm gonna increase it to 40. Your writing is only limited by your imagination. Is this black? Yeah, it is. Okay, and then the animation. No. Okay, I think this is better. Okay, how long is it? I think it's 8 seconds, and then just like that. Why write? That's the first 4 seconds, and then your writing is only limited by your imagination. For example, that's the second slide. Okay, very simple. There's an image in the background and a little bit of text here. Next slide. Okay, keep in mind that writing is a lot more than putting pen to paper. It takes reading, research, thinking, and revising. Okay, writing is a lot more than putting pen to paper. Okay, so maybe I'll create a list, a small list, and put in, writing or something, right? For example, writing takes reading, research, thinking, and revising, or something like that. Or maybe create a circle and then within it put reading, research, thinking, and revising. Okay, actually, it's not a bad idea. So we're gonna go here, for example, circle. How did you know? Just like that, for example. Put it here in the middle, and then small circles like that. I think this is why. That's why it doesn't show. Let's put it in a different color, like so. And then create 4 more, right? 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1. And then I'm going to use maybe a picture or something in the background. I don't think a video would be great for this. Would this work? Not very sure about that. This. Okay, I think that looks a little bit better. And then if we go back, how long is this? 19 to 12, right? 7 seconds. So this is 7 seconds, right? And then we need one more slide and we're done. While not all writing methods work for everyone, there are some things all writers can do to boost their craft and create a comprehensive, engaging piece. Okay, for example, I could say, here's how to create a comprehensive, engaging piece. Okay, I'm gonna need text again. Or I could do something else. I could do this, right? And then I could use a video there. Writing. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna change the text maybe, or make it smaller. Comprehensive. I'm gonna make it bold, engaging as well, like that. And then maybe I'm gonna insert some element here. Maybe a graphic like that, for example. Make it smaller, put it there, and then just do that. Okay, obviously I'm not gonna take a whole lot of time with this, but if I did have a lot of time with this, obviously I'm gonna create something a lot better. But this is just for the sake of example. And let's say we're done with that last slide. We're just gonna check how long it is. Okay, so this is, for example, 28 seconds. 19, that's 9 seconds. It's important that the slides sync well with audio. So how long is this? 16. I'm gonna make it 9. We only need it to last 9. Let's actually do 10. That's that extra second. It's always better if the slide lasts longer than the audio, because it's a lot more weird if the audio, lasts and there's just total darkness. There's no more video to show. That doesn't look very good. Okay, so let's say I'm done. 29 seconds. We said this is 28. Yeah. Okay, now let's export our video. Share, download. Yeah, that's great quality. And we wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, now that it finished downloading, I'm gonna go here, right? I'm gonna import it like so, and go here, then add it like that, and match to media, obviously. That is it right there, and we're done. So let me export it and then show you what the end result looks like. And this is it once it's been exported. Writing can be an amazing hobby and a necessary skill. From realistic fiction to mysteries to sci-fi to poetry to academic papers, your writing is only limited by your imagination. Keep in mind that writing is a lot more than putting pen to paper. It takes reading, research, thinking, and revising. While not all writing methods work for everyone, there are some things all writers can do to boost their craft and create a comprehensive, engaging piece.